Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import or apply a template special for resource allocation in your spaces of ClickUp. It is going to facilitate the tasks, the works, and also organize well your team for the resource allocation. And everything is going to be going through a plan that you are going to find within the template. Resource allocation is a critical part of project management. Using ClickUp for this purpose allows you to see who is assigned to which task, track workloads across your team, and ensure that resources are being used efficiently. Whether you are managing multiple projects at the same time or a single team, this method will save time and reduce confusion. So, as you know, ClickUp is going to have spaces. These spaces could be created manually, could be created within a template, and they are going to be all setting up things just fine. Templates are especially helpful because they come pre-structured with common views and columns that are essential for resource allocation, including task assignments, deadlines, and workload management. So, we are going to head over to the left side of the screen. As you can see, within our account, we're going to select one of the spaces. I'm not going to add a complete space for this matter, but I'm going basically to add a template within a space. So we're going to click on templates. Now I'm going to have templates. I'm going to check up all of these. So for spaces, we're going to click on the templates and type in resource. And normally it is going to show you two templates. Here we have two templates of the resource allocation. We have this one and that one. We're going to use one of these, and you're going to use it just like that by importing everything on it, also as the project dates. And also, finally, we are going to use the project. So we are going to give it a little bit of time to load up all the content because it is not going to be a light project. It is going to be a little bit of a heavy importation. It is going to be added within the space right there as a list. And it is going to contain all the views necessary for it and also everything on it. ClickUp allows multiple views for resource allocation, such as list view, board view, and even workload view, which helps you visually see how tasks and resources are distributed. We're going to wait for it, and I'm going to present it for you in just a second. Now, as you can see or consider, it's going to contain things such as these views. As team workload, you're going to have also the clients. As you can see here, let's say filtering or sorting the delivery process. As you can see, it is going to be a campaign view, and you can have, for example, by project listing. It is going to show you everything. Everything is going to be set up like that. You're going to have the analytics strategy, creative content on this by project, for example, by client. You're going to find all the companies, number and name of the companies, specific budget for them, project stages. We can see that we have also resource notes, deliverable types, creative leads, team signage, whatever. So you're going to find everything that you need as the delivery process needs, clients, whatever. A pro tip for subscribers, you can also set up automations in ClickUp for resource allocation. For example, when a task is assigned to a team member, ClickUp can automatically update their workload, send notifications, or even adjust deadlines. This ensures your team stays on track without manual updates. Another tip is to use filters and custom fields to quickly identify overbooked team members or tasks that require immediate attention. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on project management and ClickUp productivity hacks.